Hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So in today's video is going to be a quick eyebrows tutorial. How to do a slim natural brows, not the type that will be too big, no. So right now I'm using my setting powder. You guys should already know the process by now. I'm using my setting powder to make that place matte so that my pencil will print so well. And now I'm using my spoolie to brush it so that the hairs will be in place. So to outline, I'm using David's pencil. If you watch, you see that my outline started immediately where my hairline ends or where my hairline starts. I don't know how to say that. So I want the brows to be slim. I don't want it to be bold. So this is how you do your brows if you don't want it to be bold. Just make sure that your outline starts at that point where your hair starts or where your hair is or where your hair ends. However you want to put it, shall understand what I'm trying to say, okay? So I'm still outlining, and of course I have other tutorials on how to do your brows, and I have a playlist. So just watch this video to the end because I'm going to put that playlist at the end of this video, okay? So while outlining your brows, it's not a must that you draw it once. No. If you draw it before, especially when you're doing it on yourself, you might not get it. You might not get the perfect shape you want from the beginning. So you can always go back and retrace it. You can go back and fill in or take out the places you want to take out. Okay. So let's go to filling it in. You see how I'm filling it in. I'm not shading it. I'm just making everything to be light, hair-like strokes. That's how you fill in your brows, okay? To make it look natural. We want a natural brows. A brows that won't look like tattoo. That one is outdated, so we're no more doing it. So for the front, you see what I'm doing? Hair-like strokes. You don't have to shade the front, but there are some they still do like that. I still have that video, so that playlist, make sure you check it out so you will know the type that you love and then how you'll be doing it, okay? Some still shading. This is a call for action. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, please. And make sure you like this video and leave a comment for me, okay? It's very important. Then using spoolie to blend that, you use your spoolie to blend it, the pencil after everything so that it will be in place. Now to highlight, I'm using my concealer. Here I use, I think, is it I can't, which concealer did I even use again? I think Spotless. And you see where I'm putting the light shade, I'm putting it on my brow bone. Yes, I didn't take it all the way down to the front or all the way down to the tail. No. You see the point where I stopped it? That's how you're supposed to do your brows. Don't carry the light shade and come to the front of your brows. No. It will not make it look natural. It will be giving 2015 brows. Yes, I still have that video also, and all of them are in that playlist. You can still watch it because a lot of people still love that 2015 brows. So for the front, I am using my foundation. Yes, I'm using my foundation to highlight the front of the brows, and I also use it to highlight the tail of the brows. That's how we do it. And for your natural brows, if you want your brows to look natural, you have no business with highlighting the upper part of the brows. No, no, it's outdated. Some still do it though. You can still do it, but I'm telling you that it's not really that's needed again. So you see what I'm doing? We are still gonna come back to blend every damn thing. So with my blending brush, you see that brush? That's the type of brush you use to blend. You can still use your beauty blender, small one. Yes, but I love to use this brush. Sometimes I use my beauty blender also. So I'm blending that just to make sure there's no harsh line anywhere. As you can see, blend the concealer into the foundation you used. So blend everything in makeup. Blending is the key. All right. So you see that we are getting there. And now to the last part of getting your brows done, which is setting everything with a powder. Use a lighter shade on the brow bone and a darker one at the front and tail part of the brows. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and of course subscribe to my channel. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.